Huge update for Bitcoin London with Bitcoin Spike. We absolutely nailed this move. You understand, yesterday we had the specific descending triangle. Therewith, we also had the counter pattern. Look at this, guys. Hit the like button if you trade Bitcoin. You know we nailed this. The specific bull flag. What did we nail? Well, I told you yesterday in the video, shout out to all the VIP guys, I told you we needed to set, to continue to move up, we needed to set on the 4 hourly. We needed to set a specific, I'll say a specific candle up and over the 20 moving average. We didn't get that set of the candle flat over the 20 moving average, and boom, to the downside. Congratulations to everybody who's trading, to everybody, particularly the VIP. Now, let's discuss, is the bull flag over? Guys, we still have a catch line support on the bull flag. Technically, there was a minor, I'm going to say a minor underperformance in this zone. I have a green circle here marked in terms of that. What was that? That was me to the VIP earlier today telling them traders waiting for the green zone to go bull. Guys, up and over to go bull, protecting from a whipsaw along the top of the price action on the bull flag. Shout out to the VIP. Now, in terms of a top line feature, could this be a top price line feature? And let me just note for the record that a completion to the upside from this bull flag could be up to a $27,000 move. Boom. Could be a huge move to the upside. What's the downside potential? Could be a 25% move, guys. The downside potential is at or below 20,000. Let's discuss how we could get there if we broke the level of support, okay? If we got past the 38.2. The 38.2, I want to let you know, is your Fibonacci. Draw on your Fibonacci retracement tool, click at the bottom of the range, draw up to the top of the range, and bam, draw it over. That 38.2 is engaging 21,768, okay? So what I want to discuss is the potential for the descending triangle to serve as a intermittent top price line feature, period, guys. Is it the top of this price line feature, or the range? Look at the preceding zone here, mid-level. What established the top of the range? A descending triangle. Boom, to the downside. Please pay attention. Crucially important technicals here. Move to the downside was well over 10%. Precedingly, what was this, guys? Within tolerance, I'm going to say flat bottom support, descending line of resistance again, guys. Again, boom, to the downside. Again, over 10% to the downside. So as you're assessing this, and I will note that there was a preceding descending triangulation in this zone that played to the upside. This one has not played to the upside. So as we look and scope out the potential for not just the, and guys, momentum's going to do it. You know the momentum. I've been discussing that. The momentum on the 4 hourly. Let's discuss this. If you can see the bottom of your screen, let me clean this up just a moment so that you can actually dig in and have a discussion with me on this. Look at this, guys. The 4 hourly, hugely important, has finally on the MACD done what I was expecting it to do all day long. Unfortunately, was to curl and roll over to the downside. You see that loss in momentum, boom, to the downside. I didn't want it to occur, was just looking at it in the other time frames were indicating that we were going to have a problem on that 4 hourly. Bulls really would have had to get up and out of that zone. Now, as we would approach a strategy now, I'm going to tell you to go up. It hasn't changed in terms of going up. We're going to need to break that 20 on the Bollinger 4 hourly. Nothing's changed. In terms of potential pickups, I'm going to let you know we're at a crucial level right now. We're at a crucial level right now that precedingly has been respected. Okay, this specific line of resistance to support flip provided an excellent trade. We caught that in the back of the VIP. Boom, over a 4.5% trade to the upside. Very nicely done. And I want to remind you of one specific thing. As you work with your technicals, any symmetrical triangulation has a tendency, please pay attention, any symmetrical triangulation has a tendency to create a bear flag. I'll explain the relevance right now. Looking at a parallel channel from the line of support to a line of resistance carry up feature. Yes, any symmetrical triangle, okay, has the potential for the traders to bring up. It's a valid way to target a symmetrical triangulation to bring up to this original pivot on resistance. Boom, this upward sloping channel. Yes, and In addition, as you do recall, this specific level of preceding support on the 4-hourly, we're talking macro, from that $69,000 high. This level of support, you see, guys, I brought that to you, was that last week? Earlier last week, yes, absolutely. Just you've seen the difficulty we've had getting through that specific threshold. What I'll let you know is this bottom line support. That's the crucial feature here. The bottom line support. What we need to know is the price, guys. Just at or just below $20,000. $20,000 could be indicated with another hit along this specific bear flag. Yes, another macro bear flag. Extremely interesting technicals. This is why we love to trade Bitcoin. Remember, never be overexposed at any higher price, and always be prepared to double or triple down, guys. 1/100th trade amount is 1/100th. Some nice trades in the back. I want to shout out to the VIP because this specific move, guys, letting you know traders are waiting for the green zone, right? Very important. Very, very important. We could go over additional details. We'll be streaming soon. I'd say tomorrow. Let you guys get into the work week, etc., or the trade week, guys. We'll be trading full time. In terms of this link, it'll allow you to join our trade group. I want to shout out to Vlad, my man. What's up? Appreciate the pit boss in the back. That's big old Vlad. I want to let you guys know. I'm just going to shout out to him right now because he's a cool dude. He's a super, super cool dude. Vlad, you are a great trader. You're a great VIP. We love having you in VIP, my man. Thanks for being the pit boss that you are, Vlad, my man. Heavy hands, guys, heavy hands. This link will get you the opportunity to join our trade group. Hit the number one. You want to join the number one trade group. It's here, guys. The top level of membership. And after you join, hit the first pin tweet, put I am VIP. Boom. That will get you in touch with me, the first pin tweet, and thereafter I will put you in the winner circle in the back. I'll put you in a hedge. Okay, I'll put you in a hedge. I want to remind you of our basic rules, but look at this information in the back. We had this all day long, guys. Level of prior support, flip to resistance, boom, to the downside. We had that. We were looking at this specific reversal feature all day long in the back. You guys know this. Way to go, VIP. All right, now in terms of the specifics, I want to go through a few rules, VIP rules. I want to let you guys know. They're based off of and they do conform with New York Institute of Finance. Buy or long at support, sell or short at resistance, trade your patterns and hit your targets. Real easy, guys. Buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns and hit your targets. Also, trade amount equals 1/100th of a comfortably amount of expendable funds. That's it, guys. If you trade 100x, make it 1/100th of a comfortably expendable amount of funds, amount of cash, guys. That'll keep you in the game in terms of crypto. But yes, I'll put you in a hedge. I'll get you involved in leverage the right way where you're not overexposed. We'll put you in 100 rounds. And guys, in terms of the price action, we're excited to see some price action. Bulls still have a chance. We're going to have to turn that 4-hourly MACD around. The big news of the day, I had to say, guys, is the fact that we were able to provide you, that I gave you that specific, I'd say, strategy in terms of needing to set a candle up and over. Set it up and over. I mean, guys, and I mean like a candle set up and over. You see, over that specific moving average. Boom, that's over that moving average, right? So we didn't achieve that, unfortunately. But the bulls haven't gone home yet. We're going to have an interesting week with the Fed meeting. Hey, guys, let's go. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're here to trade. We'll talk to you soon. You guys take care of yourself. Have a great start to your week. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.